Hi guys, we're gonna be showing you all the sound effects for the for like the skins in this game, like the badge morphs. Because not everybody can access these skins. Well, everybody can basically, but you need the badge, so. This is gonna be the first one. The doggy. This is gonna be the one. And I think the doggy skin, I like it. And this is a 10 million visit skin. You're able to go non-infected mode or infected mode. I'm just gonna show the non-infected too. Okay, here is the skin that only Mini Toon has.
I'm Pickle Rick!
And then it's the Zack skin. I like this skin too. And this is non-infected mode. Okay, now on to Don't Get Caught. This one doesn't have a jump scare, but so that means we're gonna pass that because it doesn't have a jump scare. And then here it is to the hardest skin in the game to get, the Lisa skin. That's for today's video. Bye, guys. This video was kind of short, but I just wanted to show you all the sound effects. Bye, guys.